Hello kid. Well, do you know our plant friends have got hands as well, and just like our hands are attached to our shoulders, similarly their hands are also attached to their body. Do you know how? Let's find out. Well, over here we can see these are the various body parts of human beings. What are these? Well, these are eyebrow, eye, nose, hand, palm, leg, foot, knee, stomach, chest, mouth, ear and forehead. So these are the different body parts of human beings. So let's know which are the different body parts of our plant friends. Now look over here. This is a huge plant, right? But the main central part of the plant is known as the stem. Just like we have a body, and just like our hands are attached to our body, similarly these are the different hands of the plant which are attached to the stem. Now, what is the name of the hands of the plant? Well, they are known as branches. See, over here as well, this is the stem. And these are the branches which are attached to the stem. Now, how do our hands help us? Well, they help us to hold different things. See, in the first picture, we see a lady holding a bag. And in the second picture, we see mother holding a child. So, our arms or hands help us to hold things. Similarly, the hands of the plant, that is the branches, help them to hold their other body parts. See, over here, this branch is holding the fruits. Similarly, here we can see the branches holding the different flowers. So, over here we can see just like our hands help us to hold different things, the branches help the plant to hold other different body parts like the fruits, flowers and leaves. Now, this is a stem, the main body part of a plant, and from the stem the different branches are attached. But what is this point at which it is attached to the stem? Well, this is known as node. See, this is also a node. This is the point at which this branch is attached to this stem, and this is known as node. So let's know what is a node. Well, the point at which the branch is attached to the stem is known as node. Now, we know what is a node. It is the point at which the branch is attached to the stem. See, these are the nodes. And what is this distance between two nodes known as? Well, this is known as internode. So, what is an internode? Well, the distance between two nodes is known as internode. So, I have a question for you. What is the distance between two nodes called? Is it option 1 seed, or option 2 flower, or option 3 internode? Let me tell you. Well, seed is a part of the plant which remains inside the fruit. So, it is not the distance between two nodes. This is a wrong option. Number 2, we have got flower. Flower is something which is attached to the branch. So, this is also not the distance between two nodes. This is a wrong option. So, the correct option is internode. Internode is the distance between two nodes on the stem. So, Let's revise. What did we learn today? Well, the main part of the plant is known as the stem. Just like we have hands which are attached to our body, similarly, there are branches which are attached to the stem. So, the branches are the hands of the plant. Now, the place from where the branch is attached is known as node, and the distance between two nodes is known as internode. So now, my dear kid, I am sure you're clear about the body of our plant friend and what are their hands. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.